Non-destructive examination. Basic concepts. As the name suggests, NDE is about examining the material without breaking or damaging it. This is in contrast to destructive tests such as tensile test, bend test, Charpy test, where the material is damaged or broken during the test, and therefore it is no longer fit for service after completion of destructive test. NDE previously used to be called NDT, or non-destructive test, and in order to differentiate it from destructive test, the word test has been changed to examination, but nevertheless the NDE methods still use the word test, for example visual test or VT. This is because it was not practical to change the name of American Society for Non-Destructive Testing, ASNT, to ASNE. Also, the terms for NDE methods such as RT or UT has been too well established and accepted within the industry that to be able to change it, for example, to RE or UE. NDE methods means type of NDE such as RT for radiography test, UT for ultrasonics test, MT for magnetic particle test, PT for liquid penetrance test, VT for visual test or visual examination. NDE techniques. Each NDE method has several techniques, for example, UTA, ultrasonic angle beam for detecting volumetric defect, UTS, ultrasonic straight beam for detecting laminations, and UTT for ultrasonic thickness measurements. Discontinuities are divided into two major categories: surface discontinuities and subsurface or volumetric, internal discontinuities. NDE methods such as VT, PT, and MT are used for detecting surface discontinuities, while RT and UT used for subsurface or volumetric discontinuities. NDE procedure tells us about steps to follow. It not only helps us perform the examination in a structured manner but also guarantees repeatability and consistency.